Hi friends, welcome to our channel. This is Dr. Sharma. అనాలోచితంగా తొందరపడి ఏమీ చేయవద్దు. చిత్తశుద్ధి, ఓర్పు, పట్టుదల ఈ మూడు కార్యసిద్ధికి ఆవశ్యకాలు. కానీ ప్రేమ ఈ మూడింటికన్నా అత్యావశ్యకం అని స్వామి వివేకానంద గారు చెప్పారు కదా. సో మనం ఫాలో అయిపోదాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఇంకా లేట్ చేయకుండా మన టాపిక్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. గత క్లాస్లో మనం 8 బేస్ స్ట్రోక్స్ గురించి నేర్చుకున్నాం. ఐ హోప్ యూ ఆల్ హ్యావ్ ప్రాక్టీస్డ్ దోస్ 8 బేస్ స్ట్రోక్స్. First one, circle upwards to downward. Second one, straight line upwards to downward. Third one, slanting line downwards to upward. Fourth one, slanting line upward to downwards. Fifth one, slanting line upwards to downward to upwards to downward again. That slanting, fifth one, slanting line downwards to upward, again upwards to downward. Sixth one, slanting line with one curve, that is downwards to upward. Seventh one, circle with increasing order. I told you practice in 3 lines. And eighth one, circle with increasing and decreasing order. This one also I told to practice in 3 lines. I hope you all have practiced, and one who has practiced all these 8 base strokes, only they can feel easy to practice today's 10 strokes which I am going to show you now. Okay my dear friends, I hope you all have practiced. So if you want beautiful handwriting, you have to practice my dear friends. So we will go to the today's topic. మన టాపిక్లోకి వెళ్దాం. నేను నా దగ్గర 4 రూల్ బుక్ లేనందున నేను ఇలా దీన్ని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడానికి 4 లైన్స్ నేను వైట్ పేపర్ పైన డ్రా చేశాను. మీ దగ్గర 4 రూల్ బుక్ ఉంటే యూ కెన్ యూస్ దట్ బుక్, అండ్ సేమ్ యాజ్ యూ కెన్ యూస్ 1 HB pencil or black point ball point pen or gel pen, anything according to your convenient. So let me write day 1. This is the first one. Okay, first one, downwards to upward. Again upwards to downward. First, this you have already practiced, but that is long one, this is short one. So already we discussed, this is upper zone, this is lower zone, and this second and third or middle zones we discussed. So put your pencil on the third zone to practice this upward and downward stroke, small one, just third to second, and again second to third, like this you have to come. Downwards to upward, upwards to downward, downwards to upward, upwards to downward. Okay, downwards to upward, upwards to downward. So you have to practice like this. This is first one. So observe and practice. Observation is very important, and after observing, practicing is also very important. So practice makes man perfect, so you have to practice. So this is first one. Second one, again downwards to upwards. So put a pencil on the third line, go up. Okay friends, this is second one. Third one, this is also top to bottom. Top to bottom. So put your pencil below the second line and come to the third, like this. And you just, if you feel difficult, just practice like 7, but not complete like 7. It just look like 7, but it helps you to write Z, and while practicing cursive Z I'll show. So to practice that, it should be practiced. So you don't feel difficult first. Nothing is impossible in this world, so everything is possible. So everything is in our hand, so you can everything. So practice thoroughly. Fourth one, C, it this side, but it's not C, left side this one. But please don't say this is C here. This is one stroke, so left. This is top to bottom. Top to bottom. Okay, see here. Some slant. Every stroke should be in slant. Your pen, your fingers, your wrist should be in slant. That means bent in the direction of your wrist. So this is C, not C here. This is one stroke. And fifth one, downwards to upward. And put your pencil here, and it is very helpful to connect all letters. And observe and practice, my dear. Beginning slow, gradually speed. Beginning practice slow, gradually improve fast somewhat. So this is fifth one. And sixth one, see here, fourth one, that reverse. The left side we practiced, here right side. Okay, top to bottom. Okay, and put a pencil below the ground line, second line, and come to the third line. In slant, not in circle, it should be somewhat off oval shape. Okay, while practicing be careful. And this is sixth one, seventh one, practice it there, fourth one, see, bring seventh one, practice here fifth one, so bring that fifth and bring on four, fifth one and bring your fourth. These two together you have to write. See, put your pencil on the third line, go to up, again come down. Put your pencil on the third line, go to up and like. So observation is very very important, my dear friends. Observe my pen, observe my fingers, observe my wrist, and observe how I am practicing. And you also practice same as practice makes man perfect. Oh, sorry. That will be shown now, and you this to ignore it. And this is you have to practice. Okay, this one and eighth one. And this is here. Seventh one completed, seventh one see, eighth one see. We practiced two, one left, one right. So bring left one and again bring right one. Write two together, top to bottom. Okay, top to bottom, again go up. Okay, so here practice not circle, it is complete oval shape. It should be like an egg, not circle. It helps you to improve your beautiful handwriting. How means most of the letters depending on this. So you try to practice in oval shape, not circle. So this is eighth one and ninth one. See here, you practiced this and already we practiced this stroke. So bring this one and bring this one. Practice these two together. Yeah, right? And put your pencil on the third line, go up, then come down. And here to make it easy, I'll show you one more. Bring this and use this one and use one more small new one. And these three together, if you practice, it's very easy. Okay, so put a pencil here. Observe me, please. Okay, and please comment whether it is difficult or easy, and please give if there are any suggestions. Okay, so this is ninth one, and come to the 10th one. 10th one, what did you already we practiced? We have completed now two letters, one C, one A, right? But here we completed C, now we practiced C. Let us practice C together. It's there won't be any word with C repeated spelling like that, but it helps to improve your fast handwriting. That's it. See here. Okay. Have you observed how I have practiced here? It's very easy, and you comment whether it is easy or difficult. So this is 10th one. 11th one, why should we leave here A? How we practiced C, same as we practice A also. So bring okay. So here I'm not showing fastly. You have to improve your fast handwriting gradually, not at a time. So while practicing, practice slowly. Beginning it should be slow, gradually it should be increased. So these are 11 strokes in our day 1. Once again I repeat, these two small downwards to upward, upwards to downward, second one downwards. This helps to write some, where it helps to write each letter I tell you there after finishing. And third one top to bottom, just practice like 7, not complete like 7. Left C, this is not C, top to bottom, downwards to upwards. This helps to connect all letters. This stroke is very important, you practice carefully. All are important, but this helps you to improve fast handwriting, to move your pen freely. And this is right side C, and together both C, and this is oval shape, not like circle, and this is A, C together, A together. So this is our today's topic. So my dear friends, if you like my explanation, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you my dear friends. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram, and signing up. This is your Dr. Sharma.